Let's open the box. I have bought it from nextdigitron.com. So this is the DDPAI Mini DASHCAM. Let's open the box and see what's there in the box. Find this tax invoice inside, and this is the box. And let me open it. This is the DDPAI Mini box. This is the upgraded one. You will find 2 MP CMOS camera here with G sensor, and Android iOS app with 2.0 aperture. Let me open the box. You will find warranty card, user guide. I think it's a warranty card and user guide. So yeah, no, it's just a user guide. No warranty information are there in this box. Only the user guide. This is how it looks like. You have a 3M fixture here. You will fix this into your glass, and this is what you will get in on the box. USB charger, user manual, 3.5 meters vehicle power cable, and 3M adhesive, and the installation tool. So let's figure that out. If we open this up further, you would see that this is the power cable, this is the installation tool, and another adhesive tape, separate tape is given, and you have this power cable, and there is a fast charger available here, 2.1 ampere and then 1 ampere, and I don't think that's it. You got the mic over here, and this is the speaker. Then you have the angle here which can rotate 330 degrees. And then on this part, if you open it up, you will have the micro SD card slot, and you can see it. This is the micro SD card slot you have here, and top of that, on the bracket where you'll fix this, you will have this port for charging of this device. So let's go and install it in the car and see how it working. Let's clean this area and just get the airplane to a side, and I'll try to fix it here. I have already put first tag over here there, so let's see how it comes out. I fixed the dashcam over here, so I can rotate it and take the cabin view as well. I'll just peel off this one, and then we'll just put this car charger in here.
Please insert a SD card.
So once you insert your car charger over here, you will see light over here, and this will give you an one welcome message. And as I do not have SD card inserted on this dashcam, it's saying me that to insert an SD card. As you can see, the wire is hanging over here. We can tuck in, as the installation tool, we can tuck in this wires over here, and so that it do not create an hurdle. And
Please insert a SD
after
card.
that we'll start the engine, and I'll put on SD card and get some visuals for you. Thanks.